back to my channel. It's been a little while, isn't it? And it's been a little while because for the last 2 weeks almost, I have been sick. I've not been very well. It's not COVID, okay? Before you start. It's not COVID. But me is back now. I am ready. I really appreciate it. All my online friends. You guys, so many of you contacted me and I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your love and your concern. Anyway, let us get on to today's video. So in this video, yeah, and this ain't gonna be a scheduled one. This is one that's gonna have to chuck in there. I'm having to film this video because I do not know what my hair is going to look like. Hey. So, there's no real intro. Just go and get your popcorn. I have my tea here. Go and get yours, okay? Okay, right, so for today's video, basically, what's going on underneath this thing here? This could be a disaster. I haven't combed my hair. I haven't styled my hair. I didn't wash my hair. I done nothing to my hair for the last 10 days, maybe. I can't remember. My hair hasn't had much water. No, it hasn't. Yeah, I did take a look at my hair the other day, which made me realise that I may have done some damage to my hair. I'm lying on the sofa. My head's rubbing against fibres that are going to break my hair. Your girl did not have this on. Your girl. Anyway, we're not going to be dramatic here. So let's just see what's going on underneath here. Okay, so. As you can see, Exhibit A. We have fluffiness going on here. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. Until I started to look around here. Look at this. Okay, can you see? Right, here, Exhibit A, we have got some single strand knots. It feels a little bit knotty around here. Yeah, there's a little knot there. And it's a little short. The hair is shorter. So there's some breakage that's happened here, which is annoying. It's not the fringe. It's not the back. It's broken hair in the middle. That wasn't there before. So that is a problem. So I guess from this video, all we're gonna do is we're just gonna take down my hair and look, I mean, look, it looks crusty. Oh, I don't know, it looks a little bit shiny. It's quite good. But I wanna see what my hair's like because I feel like my hair is broken in some areas. Bearing in mind, my hair was already 4 or 5 days in to after post wash day. It needed a wash and I ain't bothered to do it because I've just been not well. I don't know what my hair's gonna look like. Another winter, eh? Another winter. I promised myself that I wouldn't have a setback this winter. And every time on camera I always introduce their hair. Today's introduction isn't very good, is it? It's looking a bit lackluster. Yeah, it doesn't look too good, does it? Now you can see it better. I mean, it's not so bad, but don't look too good either. And also, I'm not going to let you see my edges because, you know, I want to leave that for another video. We're going to do a reveal. So during the last 12 days, one thing I have done is I have actually fed my edges with some of that oil. I mean, I could just about do that. Some days I did it only once a day. Some days I just couldn't be bothered, okay? I'll leave a link up here if you are interested to find out what I'm talking about, okay? Anyway, I'm gonna go and wash this and I'm gonna see if I lose a lot of hair. So I'm interested to see what me being ill has done to my hair and how I can bounce back my hair because I've got breakage. I've got breakage, I didn't have that before. So I think my hair needs a treat. It needs a little boost of something. So much for my end of year length, you know. Not happening this year, is it? Don't worry, don't worry. It's coming, it's coming. I'm not gonna give up. On this channel, we don't give up, okay? So I'm gonna go and wash my hair. I'm gonna deep condition my hair. I'm gonna come back when my hair is fully done. And I want to talk you through things, okay? Anyway, let me go before I cry on camera. Chalet. Not bad, that is not bad for nearly 2 weeks of shedding. And when I look in the bath, I can see that there's barely any short little hairs that have broken off, which is a good sign. Okay, a good sign. So I'm going to rinse off the conditioner, clumping nicely. The conditioner's completely penetrated in my hair strands. It's been about 15 minutes. I'm going to rinse this off and I'm going to deep condition. So I'm going to be steaming my hair. So I want to give you the royal treatments. I'm going to be sitting under here for about maybe 20 minutes, okay? That's all, 20 minutes. Ooh, this looks good. This looks good. A bit worried about the ends, but... Okay, so I'm going to rinse this off and then we'll see what the curls look like. Okay, we're completely rinsed out from the deep conditioner. Let's see. Ooh, yes, my hair feels better. Yes, restoration is taking place. Ooh, child, look at the curl pattern. Yeah. Okay. All right, looking good. Hair feels nice and strong. Oh, curl definition there. Check. Right, now I've got to moisturize it and lock in whatever moisture is in this hair right now. First of all, I need to wet it down even more. Right here is the new, okay? I wasn't going to show you, but seeing as you're here. So this is one of AMARÉ-ME's newest products. Haven't got the label on here because I'm not showing you right now the whole thing. But this stuff is amazing. This is a curling cream and I've been using it for a little while now and it's amazing. Here's the texture. It's so creamy and it's thick but not heavy and it's penetrating. Look at that. Just clumps my hair really nicely. So it's helping my hair curl. Even though my hair is already curly, it's actually really good at defining my curls. So I'll come back when my hair's completely dry. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Look at my hair. Right, hair's fully dry and restored. Hey, this is what I was looking for. Look at that. Moisturized, popping, and the curls are really flopping nicely. So, do you see what I mean now? I know some of you were thinking, there's nothing wrong with her hair. Okay, so it was dry about 80% and then I went in with the hairdryer and it's created a little bit of frizz, as you can see at the top here, because I was just being impatient. My hair is back, thank God for that. Now I haven't fluffed up my hair, I haven't picked it out. My hair is shrunken quite a bit. And there's not much body in it, but overall I'm really happy. Now as far as the middle is concerned, that's the end. This is the end. It finishes here. Yeah, that ain't good. I've got some breakage going on here, so we've got to work on that. I didn't lose that much in terms of shedding. My hair was being neglected and we are in the winter and I'm going from a perimenopause and I've just recovered from having the flu, not COVID. I say it again. And to be honest, because in the 12 days I did not re-moisture my hair, not a splash of water, with my hair unprotected, without anything satin or silk. My hair's been dry, it's been in its curly stage, it hasn't been detangled, it's missed 2 deep conditions, and it hasn't been washed, and the scalp was very itchy. And I was worried that yet another year in the winter that my hair would start to break off again, because the winter, I don't know about you, but I have a problem in the winter. My hair decides to just pack up its bags and leave. So day 2 or day 3, my hair will definitely be much more voluminous. So I just wanted to film this. I thought, let me just pick up the camera because it's been such a long time. I'm glad I picked up the camera to show you how I bounced my hair back from looking like what I consider to be a disaster, a train crash ready to happen. If you feel like your hair is in trouble and it's dry and it's about to break, or you have breakage, what is it that you do that helps bounce back your hair? We've got to share these little tips and tricks because there are many different ways to skin the plantain. Anyway, that's it guys. I'm going to be doing Vlogmas for whatever is left of it. I'm going to do some days before Christmas, I think I might title it, because it's going to be some days before Christmas. So watch out for that, and I'm going to be uploading some more skincare videos because you guys, you seem to like them, okay? So watch out for that. And don't forget, I'm going to be showing you the results of the hedges. Anyway guys, I'll see you again. Thank you so much for tuning in, and back on the schedule again. My usual uploading on Sunday, and Vlogmas whenever day I upload. Just look out for it, okay? Make sure your notification is on. God bless you all. Bye.